Industrial and manufacturing facilities account for nearly a third of the United States' total energy use, and that energy comes at a high cost to both companies' profitability and to the environment. By pursuing energy efficiency, industrial businesses can save energy and money, with cash incentives available for qualifying efficient equipment upgrades. According to data from the U.S. Department of Energy, motors, compressed air, and HVAC equipment make up more than 3/4 of a typical industrial building's energy use. Motors and process machinery are at the heart of industrial operations, but also generate the greatest energy use. Adding variable frequency drives to process motors allows more control over motor speed, resulting in significant energy savings. A 20% reduction in motor speed can reduce energy use by 50%. Compressed air systems are critical components of industrial facilities, but old, inefficient, or poorly maintained systems can be extremely costly. Optimizing system performance and upgrading to more efficient equipment can help reduce pressure drops and system leaks, saving thousands on electricity costs and reducing the risk of manufacturing disruptions. New, efficient chillers and HVAC systems can use up to 50% less energy than older, inefficient units, and adding additional improvements like HVAC controls and variable frequency drives can take your savings even further. Another easy energy-efficient enhancement can be achieved by upgrading your facility's lighting to LEDs. LED lights can reduce electricity costs by between 40 and 60% and last twice as long as comparable fluorescent or HID lamps. Thousands of companies are saving already with the Ameren Missouri Biz Savers program. Best of all, incentives are available for virtually every cost-effective upgrade that reduces your electricity use. But these incentives won't be around forever, so contact the Ameren Missouri Biz Savers program to find out how you can get started saving.